Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting Clip Studio Paint for your digital art, comics, or animations but don't want to pay full price, I've got great news. Today I'll share the latest Clip Studio Paint coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025, plus show you exactly how to buy it with a special discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. Clip Studio Paint is one of the most popular creative software tools in the world, trusted by artists, illustrators, and animators for its natural brushes, vector support, 3D tools, and comic creation features. Whether you're just starting out or you're a professional creator, CSP gives you everything you need to bring your art to life. And with these codes, you can grab it at one of the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. CSP30 save 30% off Clip Studio Paint Pro. RT25 extra 25% off Clip Studio Paint EX. Draw 15 flat 15% off site-wide. Bundle 20% off when you buy multiple licenses. Free month. 1 month free on select subscription plans. How to buy Clip Studio Paint with a discount. Click the special link in the description. Choose the version you want, Pro or EX. At checkout, paste one of these coupon codes. Confirm your discount and complete your purchase. It's that easy. So don't wait. Deals like this don't last long, and Clip Studio Paint is a must-have for any artist. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start creating your best digital art today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and creative software tips, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.